Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use Apple's hidden diagnostic tool on your iPhone. All right, let's begin. First, completely power off your iPhone. Press and hold the side button and either volume button, then swipe to power off. Once the device is off, press and hold both the volume up and volume down buttons at the same time. While holding them, connect your iPhone to a charger. Keep holding the buttons until the Apple logo appears, then release them. Your iPhone will boot into Diagnostics mode. Wait for the Diagnostics and repair screen to load, then tap Continue. Next, connect your iPhone to a Wi-Fi network and enter the password if prompted. After the device connects to Apple, tap Agree to continue. You'll now see a list of available diagnostic tests. Select Run Diagnostics to check your iPhone for potential hardware and software issues. You can also run individual tests for the speakers, microphone, display, touchscreen, Face ID, and cameras. Simply choose the test you want and tap Start Diagnostics. Each test usually takes 1 to 2 minutes to complete. This tool is useful if your iPhone is experiencing problems or if you want to verify that a used iPhone is functioning correctly before or after purchase. Review the results after each test and repeat any additional checks if needed. So, that's basically how you can use this secret Apple diagnostic tool. That's it for this video. Thanks!